Right? String retro is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. We are learning about the string literals. We had already learned about numerical literals and what is literals. So here, the string literals wants to learn more about programming concepts. Stay tuned my channel and also share my channel. Be kind enough, guys, because you don't know what I am going to teach you. It is unforgettable until your last breath. This kind of code will be in my mouth until unless I'm not going to teach you. So to be kind enough to share my videos with Insta, Facebook, everywhere should have to be sharing this. So the string literal definition is a string literal is a sequence of character, as I told you earlier, surrounded by quotes. I'm specifically talking about Python here, but every programming language is surrounded by the string is surrounded by the quotes itself. Not only Python, but also in every programming language it supports at least a single quote. But in Python it supports three kinds of codes: single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes for a string. A string is nothing but an alphabetical value, alphabetical words. It's something that is not in numeric and boolean. A character literal is a single character surrounded by single or double quote. The second line of the string literal definition, a character literal is a single character surrounded by single or double quotes. A character which is could be surrounded in single or double quotes, as I told you earlier. The value with triple quotes is used to give multi-line string literal. Multi-line string literal will be demonstrated soon if you subscribe this channel. So this is how I will demonstrate already the single quotes of string in Python. Triple quote also be uploaded soon if you subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything.